guys, and welcome back again to another Tools and Gadgets. Today we'll be teaching you how to install the VM VirtualBox by Oracle. And first off, we need to download the Windows 10 version ISO. So let's head on to this page. Don't worry, I'll be putting the link in the description box below. So let's go ahead and click download. After that, when you download that, you will be installing the media creation tool. Go ahead, click yes. After that, just getting a few things ready. So this will take a while, guys, depending on your computer. Okay, so let's go ahead and click accept. So I already downloaded this, guys, so I'm just showing you the step on what to choose so that you will be getting the ISO file and not upgrading your computer that you're using right now. Okay, so on this page, click Create Installation Media because we just want the ISO file. Click Next. Okay, Windows 10 64-bit. Click Next. Okay, so we want to choose the ISO file, not the USB flash drive, the ISO file. So when you click Next, it will download the ISO file, and after that, I just want to cancel this because I already downloaded it. Let's go ahead to this one. So as you can see, it's 4.4 gigabytes. So depending on your internet connection speed, it will take a while or it will not. So after that, let's go ahead and download Oracle VirtualBox. So also the link, I'll be posting it in the description box below. Let's go ahead and download the latest version. After that, since I already downloaded it, okay, let's go ahead and install. Click yes. Next. Okay, so this is very important, guys. So where you want to install your VirtualBox. So for me, I want it to be installed on drive D because it has a bigger space compared to my drive C. I already created a VirtualBox folder. Let's go ahead and click OK. Everything is checked. Click Next, Next, Next. Install. So that's it. It's very plain simple. So we'll just wait for this to install. Okay, so let's start Oracle. So here, guys, let's just click on Preference. As you can see, our default machine folder is drive D because we chose the drive D a while ago. It depends on you, and if you have a bigger drive C capacity, then why not? So let's just name this Tools and Gadgets VM. Oops. Our OS is Microsoft, Windows 10. Let's go ahead and choose Windows 10, 64-bit. So depends on you how many RAM size you want to allocate for this VM. I'm just going to set it to 1800. Okay, create a virtual hard disk now. Okay, let's create a virtual hard disk, blah, blah, blah. Yeah, file size 50 gigabytes. So depending on you, how much space you need. So you could crank it up all the way to 2 terabytes, or depends on how big your free space is. So let's just do 80 gigs. Okay, then let's just set that to default. Let's go ahead and click create. Okay, so you'll be getting this. So what you want to do is that double click here. And let's just wait for it. Okay, so the host drive. So what you want to do is that we want to add the Windows 10 ISO. Okay, after that, choose and let's click start. So it's starting now. Okay, so we'll be installing a fresh Windows 10 onto our virtual machine. Just click next, install. Let's just take this to full screen. So I don't have a product key. We'll just use a trial version. Don't worry. Okay, home, Windows 10 home. Click next. I accept the license terms. Click next. Upgrade, custom install. Okay, so we just want to do a custom install. Okay, let's allocate that. Click next. Okay, so we'll just wait for this to finish. Okay, so in here you can just deactivate everything. Click accept. So the one mistake that I did, guys, was during the setup process, I only allocated 1,800 megabytes, so that's 1.8 gigabytes of RAM. Uh, I forgot that I was installing Windows 10 64-bit, so it needs a minimum of 4.25 gigabytes of RAM. So yeah, we can just edit here in the settings after this. We could just edit it here and allocate more RAM. So we'll do that after. So that's why it's taking a very, very long time to set this up because of the RAM limitation. So you can go ahead and set it to, just to make sure, if you have a bigger RAM, you can set it up to 5, 8 gigabytes. Yeah, as long as it's not below 4.25 gigs of RAM. There are a lot of what do you call this? This wasn't here before when I installed my Windows 10 before. There's just a lot of what do you call that? Settings now to set before you could use Windows 10. So yeah, this would be a lot faster if you set it to 4.25 gigabytes of RAM or higher, which I mistakenly did a while ago. Okay, so I think this is about it. We're getting to the desktop already. Okay, so we're now here at our desktop, so just click yes so that you will be connected to the internet. Okay, and let's head on to settings. Let's check the specs of our VM. See, it's really taking a long time to load this kind of stuff because of the low RAM that I set a while ago. So once again, be sure to set your RAM higher than 4.25 gigabytes. If you have 16 gigs of RAM, you could choose 8 gigabytes of RAM to use on your VM so that it won't be laggy as this, same as mine. Let's go into about. Okay, so you can see here 1.76 gigabytes of RAM. So that's about it, guys. Thank you for watching. Be sure to subscribe. Comment down below if you have any questions regarding the step-by-step tutorial that I made just now. Okay, so see you again next vlog, guys. Bye.